So this is it. This is my interface and this is my forecast. I have one more pair to forecast, and this pair is going to be SAUUSD. That'll be gold. Gold is next to be forecasted. SAUUSD. Gold is next to be forecasted. So I'll be adding gold to this my forecast list, and but I want to recap this one first, and then I would like to show you what I normally do. Right. So this week, this is what I have done forecasting now. I'm done with three pairs. I'll be doing this last pair together, so that in all these are my main pairs. These are my main pairs. I have other pairs that I look out for, but the main pairs are this one. These are the three pairs that I mostly work on. So to start with, DXY. This is my DXY, and this is what I'm expecting. So the weekly is giving me bullish vibe, as you can see from here. The weekly, this is the line. This was a resistance, and it broke and started. It used it to as a support. And at the moment, you can see price just broke above this level with the body candle close. Hence, I also look at it as being push upwards. So that is a bullish for me. And the daily too, you can see from here with the daily, it broke this level. It came to retest it. It broke this one. It came to retest it. It broke this one, retest, and now it has broken this one. So this one too, I'm also expecting to retest, even though price is reacting from this angle with a pullback, a huge pullback. Hence, I'll be looking for when the market opens, I'll be looking for it to retest this one, or go ahead and break this angle or this level and retest it. I would like to see price break and close above this level and retest it to push up, and it's likely price will happen like this, and that is what I'm looking for. If not, it should either retest on this as a break and retest, or come down to 106 level to form double bottom and then push up. If not, it breaks below the 106, retest it and keep going down, which is hardly to happen. So that is my daily for you, and that one too also gives me a bullish vibe. And the 4 hours, this is what I'm looking out for the 4 hours. Evening star formed price prior to that, price rejected the next key level. So price rejected this level, like I said earlier on, and it formed an evening star, which is an indication of a reversal. Hence, I'm looking for price to retrace down to this fib level 78.6, which is mostly my ideal level of retracement. Is price, I want to see price to come here. Also, there is this huge fair value gap here. Price can also as well tap in this fair value gap before pushing up, but whichever way, I see price to be bullish. But at the moment, price is going to retrace and then continue. So these are the two ideas that I have. Price will break above and retest it and go, or price will come to this level, which it has already just broken, to retest it and push up, and that also give me bullish. So you can see I'm all bullish for weekly, daily, and 4 hours. I'm all bullish. Now let's look at the 1 hour. This is what I'm trying to see from the 1 hour. 1 hour, I have this other block here, which also coincide with the confluence with the fib level. So whatever be the case, I'm hoping and um looking out for price to reach this level, even though it has retraced more than 30%. Hence, fib level is activated. Not forgetting this fair value gap down here. So when the market opens, I'd like to see price run down, come here, tap into this position, and head up. And that is all that I have for the XY. And if the XY is bullish, then it will give any other USD pair to also be bullish. Hence, I have USD JPY, USD JPY, which is my main asset here. So you can see my weekly, I'm bullish on weekly, because you can see the low price. This was the, let's assume this is the high, right? It pulled back and it came. When it came, it was not able to break above this one. So it retraced, it was a deep retrace, right? And then move up to create. So from this high, the next high was this one. And this one to break for the market to change, I want to see this high breaks this high create a lower to break this lower in order for the market to change. Hence, if that has not happened yet, I still see price to be what bullish, and I'll be looking for a buy. And then with the daily you can see from here that price actually broke below this one, and then it started breaking um, lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then eventually it broke out. So change of character here, and now price is heading up. This was a support. It was a support here, and it broke this support, became a resistance. It broke it, and now it's using it as a support. To price broke this and retested it, and now looking for a confirmation to buy it up to the next key level, which is this red line. So now I'm looking, you can see that price has rejected this area multiple times with these candlesticks, wicks, right? So I'm hoping, I want to see price give me a confirmation by closing above this one and possibly come to retest it in the lower time frame and then push up to this key level, and I'll be in this buy. If not, I want to see price to get to 158, at least 158, and then I will sell it from there because I'm looking for price. If I'm using the daily the daily price change character here, and I can only say that this one is going for a retest of this fair value gap to come back down, even though it has changed market here, it has shifted. So hence price will be going down. Let's see. So with the 4 hours, this is what I'm expecting for the 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see this was my support level. Price retested this. It tested. It was a resistance here. It broke it, and then retested it here. Went up all there, came back to retest it, and it's up here again. And now it is at the weekly daily level. It is in the daily zone. So this is the 4 hour zone. I'm hoping that price will break, retest it, and sell off. If not, I want to see it break this one and retest it and go up. So my main strategy here is break and retest, right? So let's look at the 1 hour. Now, price took this liquidity like I predicted last week that price would take this liquidity and shoot up. And it did that. And I was looking for price to break above this level in order to continue the buy. It broke above, but then this level, this was a support here, a resistance. Um, it was a resistance here, it became support, resistance, and now it's it created another resistance here, and now price broke down. You can see when price broke above this, created the change of character, it left this OB here, even though this OB did not have any fair value gap. The fair value gap here was violated initially, and price came back to tap into the OB, and now price is trying to push up. So going forward, I want to see price either break above this, retest it and go up, or come back down to the OB again, retest it and buy off. And that is what I'm looking for going into this week. And the last pair for today is going to be um, GBP JPY. And GBP JPY, my weekly is bullish. I see weekly to be bullish because it created a very strong support here. And then this was serving as a resistance and it became a support, pushed up, came and tested this main support again. And now it's pushed, tested this one, and it's now coming back. I want to see price come back to this strong area, tap in here and push up. That is the phrase instant for the weekly, and hence weekly is bullish for me because this was the support that created this high and price was not able to close below this support, hence bullish. Now let's look at the week daily. With the daily, you can see price broke below this high here, this low here on the support level, created the high, right? And price broke this low and tested it here. It tested it here, came back, couldn't create a new low, and now it's heading up. And at the moment, I'm using fib level. I want to use fib level to catch a trade here. You can see there is what? fair value gap here, small one, small fair value gap, which also is together with the my fib level. So I'll be looking for price to retrace all the way up here before shooting up. This will be here. This will be here. I will be looking. Okay, I'll be looking for price to sell off from here. If by any chance price gets to this area or closer, I'll be looking to sell from here. If not, I want to see price break this red line, retest it, and sell off. If not, come up here, retest it, and go up. So that is it. That is what I'm looking for with the daily. And hence, because of that, my daily bias is what? Bearish. Because it broke this one and this was the high that created the low. And if this high is not taken, then price is what? Bearish. So on the daily, I'm bearish. Let's look at the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, this created double top, and after the double top it broke this change of character, and after this change of character occurred, there was a fair value gap here. Price tapped in the 4 hours support and went up to the fair value gap and dropping. And now I'm looking for price to either come up here and sell off, or come all the way up here and sell off. But if it come here, it will create double top here again, and then it can sell from this side to the weekly zone, and that is what I'm looking for. Now this is how I want to see price play out. I want to see price has created break of structure again. So because it's now bearish, so you can see it went up here, tap in the fair value gap, it broke it, indicating bearish trend, and now it's going up here. So this is why I'm looking for price to create double bottom, double top here to sell off. If not, I was looking for price to tap in the 4 hour zone and also sell off. So basically, this is what I'm looking for GBP JPY going into this week. And the last pair that I'll be looking at is gold, which I'll be analyzing before going to bed. So at the moment, I was thinking, let me show you the plan initially. I was looking for gold to be like this, to give me head and shoulder under daily, right? So when I get a head and shoulder, I can just sell. By any chance and the price gets here, I have to go all in. But you know what? The funny thing is price pass here. Now let me show you where price is at the moment, daily. So this was where I was looking for price. This yellow line. That was where I was looking for price at. And the funny thing is price has passed there, and price is currently heading to this level, which I didn't get the head and shoulders. It doesn't mean that one is gone. It's still there. So at the moment, if I draw my fib level, I realize that price is approaching the 71, which is an ideal to sell from 71 to 78, and there is a fair value gap also here. So right from here, Monday, Tuesday, we should be expecting price start dumping, right? Monday, Tuesday, price will start falling down. This will be the expectation at the moment. Now let's see. On the 4 hours, what I'm expecting now is I want price to start rejecting at this level. So my alarm is here. I'm waiting for price to tap in the alarm so that I can. So I'm looking for price here. This range. This range. That is a range I want to sell from. This is a range I want to sell from. So here, price broke this one, retested it, went up, came, break it, retested it, and sold off. And now it is at this point again. So we have one, two, three, and this is the fourth touch of this place. So let's see what price will offer for us at this moment. Okay, so in the previous, we don't have any data there. So here, this is what I'm waiting for. I'll be waiting to see any change of character under this. At this point in time, price is still going. I was actually in this trade, but I got my daily target, so I just have to close it. I got in here and I pushed all the way up here. No, not here. I think here. Yeah, I got in here and I sold it off here. Here, when price started retracing, that was when I sold it because my general bias for this um, trade is this market is sell, and that's what I'm looking for. So any changes here, especially in the 5 minutes, I want to see a break of structure here. Let me just bring this one. So I was expecting it right from here. Now this is the lowest low that I have at the moment. So I want to see price break this one and retest it, capitalize on that, and sell to below.